Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. In this video, we will answer the question, what is Markdown? Markdown is a way to style text on the web. It allows you to control how a document is displayed, such as formatting words in bold or italic, adding images, and creating lists. Markdown is mostly plain text with a few non-alphabetic characters like hash or star. Markdown can be used in various Desk Director features: task lists or task templates, forms, ticket descriptions, and comments. PSA support. ConnectWise supports Markdown. Its new HTML editor for ticket notes and time entries is actually a Markdown editor, and content is saved in Markdown format. Some advanced Markdown elements, like tables, may not be supported. Autotask supports HTML in its interface, but its API only supports plain text. However, due to Markdown's readable nature, content remains understandable. That is Markdown. Thank you for watching today's 1 Minute Wednesday. See you next time.